So this is my I connected the Parrot drone to a laptop controlled by that. Edited all the functions and display lines. The software gives you telemetry, speed, orientation, theta pitch, phi roll, curve control, engine control, all of that good stuff. Anyways, we'll cut to the part. So, to take off, now it's taken off. Now this is my height control. Don't want it to go too high. And then I just hit the button again to but yeah, I can if I want to see what the camera's seeing, I just hit a button and it pulls up the camera display. I can do raw capture, all different kinds of stuff.